Welcome back. Monsoon will pick up momentum in Goa after a dull start. The downpour, which has begun on Monday morning, is likely to continue for a few more days. Goa has recorded rainfall of 185 mm till Monday evening, while Pai and Madgaon have recorded least rainfall.
Goa had received 296 cm rains during the last monsoon season. After arrival of monsoon for the past 2 days, there were heavy rains because of cyclonic circulation off Goa-Karnataka coast. But later the current became weak. The rainfall was low for the first few days of monsoon.
At present there are a few spells will be there because at present we are seeing that after 2-3 days rainfall will increase in this west coast. At present some few spells will be there because the rainfall will continue. There is no dry spells this year. After onset of monsoon, actually there is no, because current has not picked up. Monsoon current has monsoon current is less at present, it is weak. So now in the coming days this monsoon currents may pick up.
Here is a chart of rainfall recorded taluka wise. North Goa, Mapsa 11 cm, Panaji 18 cm, Ponda 17 cm, Pedname 17 cm, Valpai 10 cm, South Goa, Margaon 10 cm, Marmagaon 11 cm, Kepe 17 cm, Sange 14 cm, Dabori 18 cm, Kankona 18 cm. Last year, the first 4 days had recorded 239.8 mm of rains compared to 176 mm this year. Goa had recorded a rainfall of 185 mm till Monday evening. First 4 days, rains last season's, rains this season. 239.8 mm, 176 mm. Meanwhile, an uprooted tree damaged a car parked in a garage in the market area at Panaji. This is the second incident in the capital city in past week. With Nita Sadekar and video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
Dawarli Punch member Leela Mangalam complained that a group of youth assaulted her and her family members. Mainakurturi police have registered an offence and are in search of accused.
Dawarli Punch member Leela Mangalam complained that she and her family members were assaulted by a group of youth at Dawarli Panchayat. Punch members say that this is on the backdrop of a complaint filed by her against the youth for creating nuisance in the Panchayat area.
तो बस स्टँड आसा तो बस स्टँड आमकां डेमोलिश करपाक जाय आनी ते आमकां सगळे भुरगे ते रस्तो बिस्तो आडयता ते मातशें आमी पेट्रोलिंगाक धाड म्हणून सांगून गेलीं ते आतां आमकां तांकां कशें कळ्ळें कितें तें खबर ना आमकां आमची गाडी तेंच्यांनी आडयले चावी काडून भायर मारली आनी डायरेक्ट ते आमचेर विचारपाक गेले डायरेक्ट एटॅक करून आमकां मारपाक येयले ते म्हजे घोवाक मारला तेणी म्हाका मारला कोण ते हे भुरगे आमचे वाड्या वयले ते सदांच थंय बस स्टँडार आसताले तेंचेच नांवार आमी आतां ते कंप्लेन करून गेल्या की ते बसता थंय लोकांक त्रास जाता म्हणून सांगून गेल्या
आमी थिंगा एक्चुअली झगडी जाताली म्हणून हांव बेश्टो विचारपाक गेलो समजा मुगे कॉलराक धरलो शर्ट बी पिंजलो आनी हातीचेर दांडो बी मारलो मुगेले आनी मुगे बायल वयता थिंगा तिगे चुडीदार बी पिंजलो आनी समजा पळयान गायलो आमकां 10 जाण 20 जाण सुमार आशिल्ले.
Mainakurturi police have registered a case.
She lodged a complaint today at the police station informing that her uncle while he was proceeding to unload dump of mud somewhere, a group of 5 persons, they formed unlawful assembly and they restrained him. And when he questioned him regarding their action, they took his key and vehicle key and they threw it out. And when this Srimati Leela Mangalam, the punch, and her husband went to inquire about it, even they were assaulted.
A reporter from Margaon, Savio Dice.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.